Hey folks, it's Darren with Rustic Rabbit Woodcraft and Signs again. Getting ready for another project. We're going to name this one the Greasy's Repair Shop. I was commissioned to do this for a local repair shop. As you know, I do the carbon paper transfer method. I've already got the sign laid out and transferred. So I will remove the layout. As you can see, we've got it laid out here. I'm going to start with the 60-degree V-groove bit. I've got it set at about 1/8 of an inch. So we'll get started. Alright folks, you get the idea what I'm doing here. I'm going to finish the rest of the letters off camera and we'll be back. Alright folks, we're back. Got all the lettering completed. Went ahead and did the clean out on those. I did the 1/8 inch straight bit for the clean out on the letters. I'm going to get started on the logo here. I'm going to start out using the carving liner bit because we've got some pretty tight places and fine detail here. So we'll get started. Alright folks, we're back. I've got switched over to the profile bit and we'll get started again here. Alright folks, we've got the logo completed almost. I'm going to go in with the straight bit and do a little bit of clean out. This completes video number 1 of the Greasy's Repair Shop.